Subcompact hatchbacks, the Fiat Punto and Fiat Palio, were succeeded by the Subcompact Argo in the South American market. The sleek, athletic style that was meant to entice the younger demographic helped it gain popularity very fast. Future upgrades are a matter of conjecture, but the intriguing possibilities for the Fiat Argo's development could inform future models. The modern Fiat Argo is available with a range of efficient and adaptable engine options, including its gasoline and flex fuel versions. For drivers looking for a reliable and affordable option, the Argo is a great choice thanks to its balanced performance. Important features include enough safety technology for its class and an infotainment system with a touchscreen that improves connectivity. Fiat updated the Argo in 2022 so it could compete in the market. There was an overhaul of the front grille, bumpers, and wheel designs, as well as improvements to the inside. These modifications improved the vehicle's look without sacrificing its friendly demeanor. Rumor has it that Fiat will be updating the Argo and the Fiat Kronos, two of its sit-in versions, in 2025. Expected upgrades include state-of-the-art equipment, better interior materials, and tasteful cosmetic tweaks to make it more appealing, in order to keep the Argo a leading contender in the subcompact sector. Next updates will bring it even more up to date. The Fiat Argo has an ergonomic and functional cabin. Using this as a starting point, subsequent versions will most likely improve the driving experience with upgraded infotainment systems, higher quality materials, and more functions. The layout is designed to be user-friendly, prioritizing the comfort of both the driver and passengers. One thing that has drawn attention to the Argo is its stylish and athletic exterior. To stay on pace with modern tastes while retaining a youthful appearance, possible upgrades could involve sleeker design elements and sharper lines. Although there may be a little price increase for the 2025 Fiat Argo owing to improvements, it is anticipated that the vehicle will still be affordable, continuing its reputation for affordability. New models often start between $18,000 and $20,000 on the market. When it comes to Fiat portfolio staples, the Argo remains a popular choice among South American consumers thanks to its practicality, performance, and stylish design.